Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Bluestacks emulator on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So just open your browser and search for Bluestacks, and the first link which will appear here will be from bluestacks.com. So just click on this link, and once you click on this link, this website will open. So here you can see it's bluestacks.com. From this drop down menu you can select the language in which you want to view this website. I have chosen English from here, and then you can see Bluestacks 5 is available at the time of making this video. So I'm going to just click on this option which says download Bluestacks 5, which is going to start the download of Bluestacks exe file. So this exe file is a few kilobytes, so it will be downloaded really fast. So just click on this exe file and minimize the browser. Click on run, and now you can see Bluestacks installer has been started on your Windows 10 operating system. So here you can directly see the install now button, but also here in the side you can also see the customize installation link. So just click on customize installation link, and from here you can change the location of Bluestacks if you want to change it some other drive. So just click on this folder icon and then choose some other drive if you need to change the drive from here. So once you have provided the location where you want to install Bluestacks 5, and you can see the space requirement also here. So it's going to take around 5120 megabytes on your PC. So once are done all these settings, you can go back and then click on install now button, and it's going to start the installation of Bluestacks on your Windows 10 operating system. So you can see in the starting it's going to download around 400 megabytes, so it will take some time. So I'm going to just wait for the Bluestacks to complete. So now the download is complete, so you just need to wait at this point until this screen appear, and now you can see it's checking the system requirements. So just wait for some time once again. So basically everything is happening automatically, so you don't need to change or click anywhere, just wait for some time. And now I can see these icons are created on my desktop, which is for Bluestacks 5 and the Bluestacks 5 multi-instance manager, but still installation is going on, so I'm going to wait for some more time. So you can see Bluestacks is starting. So while it's starting, let's maximize a screen, and you can see at the top this menu, and then you can click on the settings option from here, and you can see where are few settings you can change from here. So the first setting is for CPU allocation. You can change it according to the PC configuration you have in my PC. I can have up to 2 cores, but I will leave it as default for now. Also you can customize the memory allocation from here. Enable high frame rate and other settings are here. You can also change the display settings, graphics settings, and in the preferences you can change the language and other preferences. You also have the device settings, so you can choose which device you want to use. So you can choose which device profile you want to use for this emulator. And then you have some advanced settings from here for you Android debug bridge and input debugging, and in the last you have about which version of Bluestacks you have on your Windows operating system. You can know about it from here. I'm going to close this. Also you have the same settings icon here, so you can click on this, and the same settings option you will be able to see from there also. And then you have the open macro manager here. So here you can see record a new macro. You can record in input macros to automate some boring tasks in game according to this. So now this Bluestacks app has been started on my Windows operating system, and now you will see more options on the right hand bar here. So you can just play with all these options and see what you can do with these options. You can also sign in to your Google Play Store account, and from this game center option you will be able to download all the games which are available on Bluestacks. And at last you have the system app. So this is how you can download and install Bluestacks 5 on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.